Limescale clings to the surfaces of pipes and the heating elements of boilers, reducing their efficiency and eventually causing them to be replaced. Now, there is a solution, the HS38. The HS38 simply clips around the existing pipe without requiring any plumbing or cutting of pipes. It runs off a standard power supply and uses around £1 worth of electricity per year. It protects against limescale without changing the chemistry of the water by transmitting an electric field into the pipe that travels throughout the entire plumbing system of the house, protecting all places where water is heated. The field acts within the water itself to manipulate scale-forming ions, causing them to form fine crystals in suspension rather than problematic scale on pipes and boilers. In addition to preventing new limescale, it removes existing scale already in the system, clearing pipes and improving heating efficiency. Because the HS38 transmits a signal through the whole system, it protects against scale everywhere in the house, including washing machines and dishwashers, as well as all types of boilers, cylinders and heaters. The protection enjoyed by around 1 million domestic and commercial customers worldwide is available for your own home with a guarantee and warranty for peace of mind. The HS38.